Alrighty, so we have arrived. Oh, my bet. Oh, oh. Oh, he's already got my old engine uncovered. There's my old LT1. I have to take a head off this one to use on. This is 83K. I got to take the head off this one to use on the other 51K motor because of the broke valve stem seal. I mean, God, my 51K engine. No ridge or anything. You can still see the cross hatching in it. Of course, it is a roller motor. Let's see, this is the bad one, unfortunately. Good thing I changed the springs on it, because I can't show the bad. I done put the old springs back on it. So here's my, I've got my beehive valve springs on here. I am putting 1.6 roller rockers on it. Not much lift, but with stock cam, it's going to have 480, 490 lift. Probably some nice jigs. Center bolt valve cover roller rockers. I'm going to have to do some modifications to the valve covers, because this right here, you know, little tabs right there, they got to be cut off. They interfere with the rockers. Those are composite too, not steel. Locks and keepers. These are my, that's an old valve spring there. Yeah, gotta be. These are my beehives. The difference between the old valve springs and the beehives. These are good for 600 lift, 625. They're a pack. Very good springs. I was going to get comp cams, but they seem to be breaking on people, so I don't know if they've cured that or not. But you can also see the difference in space in the coils. We are checking spring height, of course, but yeah, these are very good springs. And they taper smaller in the top, although the bottom is still the same size. This is what they're using in I don't know if they're using them in the newer Corvettes or not. I think they may be. Stupid ass off the spark. I got my shorty headers in the car. Oh, what else? Yeah, I gotta pop off that other head gasket. So, alright. That other head, my gaskets and stuff won't be here till later. This is a 93 motor and mine's a 94, so I may have changed some sensors and stuff like that also. Alright, 73s y'all, let me get to work, and I'll catch y'all later. Fat Cat Amps. Not doing any amp work for a while. I am when I can squeeze it in, but I hope to have my car done by convoy. I hope to have my car done by the middle of next week at least. Beautiful weather here. Finally quit raining. Catch y'all later. Fat Cat Amps. It ain't Alley Cat Town, Alabama. It's Clanton Town, Alabama, and I'm gone.